This is Casper. I think when I weighed him, he was a little over 8 pounds, 8.2 or something. Looking pretty good right now. You're looking good, Casper. Can you turn that around? His tail feathers have come in nice. He's already produced one mostly white chick. I've got him paired up with the blue Aseels. Technically they're 1/4 Shamu, but they're mostly Aseel. There we go. Really pretty rooster. Beautiful rooster. Him and Apollo are about the same size. I think Apollo might possibly be a little taller. I think Casper might be a smidgen heavier.